Good morning, Lisa.
Good morning, Mark.
What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock.
I am still very sleepy.
Me too, but we need to wake up.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. The bed is very comfortable.
I am going to the kitchen.
Are you making coffee?
Yes, I need a big cup of coffee.
Can you make some tea for me?
Of course. Do you want breakfast?
What do we have?
We have eggs, bread, and yogurt.
Let's have eggs and toast.
That sounds good.
I will take a shower first.
Okay, I will start cooking.
Don't forget to feed the cat.
Oh, right. He is very hungry.
I will be ready in 10 minutes.
See you in the kitchen.
It is going to be a great day.
The cafe is very busy today.
Look, there is a free table near the window.
Great. Let's sit there.
I am so hungry.
Me too. The menu looks interesting.
What do you want to eat?
I want a club sandwich and some tomato soup.
That sounds good.
What about you, Lisa?
I will have a grilled chicken salad.
Do you want a drink?
Yes, an iced tea, please.
I will have a black coffee.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, 1 club sandwich, 1 tomato soup, and a salad.
And an iced tea and a coffee, please.
Certainly. Thank you.
How was your meeting this morning?
It was very long, but we have a new plan.
That is good. I finished my report.
Excellent. Now we can enjoy our lunch.
Here's the food.
It smells delicious.
Bon appetit.
Hello, Lisa.
Hi, Mark. Are you busy?
Yes, I have many emails to write.
I have a meeting at 10.
Is the meeting very long?
I think it is 1 hour.
I need to finish this report.
Did you see the boss today?
Not yet. He is in his office.
My computer is very slow today.
That is very annoying.
I need to call a client now.
Do you have the phone number?
Yes, it is on my desk.
Okay, let's talk later.
Are we having lunch together?
Yes, let's meet at 1 o'clock.
Can we go to the cafe downstairs?
That is a good idea.
Great. See you then.
Have a good meeting.
Thanks. Good luck with the report.
Hello, I am looking for new sneakers.
Hello. What kind of sneakers do you need?
I need something comfortable for running. We have many great models over here.
Look at these blue ones.
Mark, I like the color. They look very modern.
What is your shoe size? I am a size 10. Let me check the stock for you. Yes, we have your size. Here you go. They feel very lightweight. Walk around a little bit.
They're very soft inside.
Are they too tight for your toes?
No, they fit me perfectly.
These are very popular this season.
How much do they cost?
They are on sale for $75.
That is a very good price for this brand.
Okay, I will take them.
Great. Would you like some socks or a cleaning spray?
No, just the sneakers. Thank you.
Please follow me to the counter.
Can I pay with my smartwatch?
Yes, our terminal accepts it.
Now you have no excuse to skip your run.
You are right, Lisa.
Where's the entrance to the metro?
It is over there, near the big mall.
We need to buy tickets first.
I already have a travel card.
I will buy a token at the machine.
Okay, I will wait for you by the turnstile.
I'm ready. Let's go.
The escalator is very long.
Please hold the handrail.
Which line do we need to take?
We need the green line heading north.
Let's look at the metro map.
Our station is the 5th stop.
The platform is getting very crowded.
Look, the train is coming now.
Stand back from the yellow line.
The doors are opening. Let's get on.
There are no free seats today.
It is okay. We can stand and hold the strap.
The train is moving very fast.
Next station is Central Square.
That is our stop, Lisa. Let's move to the exit doors.
Watch your step when you leave the train. We need to buy some food for dinner.
Yes, let's get a shopping basket.
I have the shopping list right here.
What is the first thing on the list?
We need milk, eggs, and butter.
The dairy section is over there.
Look, the milk is on sale today.
Great. Put 2 bottles in the basket.
Do we need any bread?
Yes, let's get some fresh bread from the bakery.
It smells so good here.
I want some fruit, too.
Let's get some apples and bananas.
Are these apples sweet?
I think so. They look very ripe.
We also need some pasta for dinner.
It is in the next aisle.
Is that everything on our list?
Yes, I think we are finished.
Let's go to the checkout.
The line is very short today.
That is lucky.
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, they accept all cards here.
Okay, I will pay.
Don't forget the reusable bags.
I have them in my pocket.
Mark, can you help me for a second?
Sure, Lisa. What do you need?
Can you help me move this table?
Why do you want to move it?
I want to clean the floor behind it.
Okay, it looks quite heavy.
Yes, I cannot do it alone.
I will lift this side and I will push from the other side.
1, 2, 3, lift.
Great. Now the floor is clear.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, can you reach that box on the top shelf?
This blue one?
No, the big brown one.
Here you go.
Thank you so much, Lisa.
You are very welcome.
You are very strong.
I try my best.
I really appreciate your help.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I don't have any plans yet.
Would you like to go on a trip?
Yes, I would love to.
Where should we go?
Let's go to the mountains.
That sounds like a great idea.
How are we going to get there?
We can take the train.
What time does it leave?
It leaves at 8 o'clock on Saturday morning,
Perfect. I will book the tickets.
and I will find a hotel.
What should we pack?
We need warm clothes and hiking boots.
I am so excited.
Me too. It will be a fun adventure.
Let's check the weather forecast first.
Good point. We need to be prepared.
Oh no, I cannot believe it.
What is the problem, Lisa?
I cannot find my car keys.
Did you check your jacket pocket?
Yes, I checked, but they are not there.
Maybe they're on the kitchen counter.
No, I already looked there twice.
Don't worry, we will find them.
I am going to be late for my meeting.
Wait, look, they're under the newspaper.
Thank God, you are a lifesaver.
Is everything okay now?
Actually, no. The Wi-Fi is not working again.
Let me restart the router.
And I think the coffee machine is broken too.
It is just one of those days.
Everything is going wrong today.
Relax, Lisa. Take a deep breath.
You are right. I need to calm down.
I will fix the internet and you go to your meeting.
Thank you, Mark. See you later.
Hi, Lisa. How are you feeling today?
I'm very happy right now.
That is great to hear.
Why are you smiling, Mark?
I am glad because the weather is beautiful.
But you look a bit tired, too.
Yes, I am a little exhausted after work.
Are you hungry?
No, I am just thirsty.
I will get you some water.
Thank you. You are very kind.
Earlier today, I was a bit sad.
Oh, why were you sad?
I lost my favorite pin.
Don't be upset. I can buy you a new one.
That makes me feel much better.
Are you nervous about the meeting tomorrow?
A little bit, but I'm also excited.
Don't be afraid. You will do great.
Thank you for your support, Mark.
Now, I am curious. What is in that bag?
Now, I'm curious, what is in that bag?
Wow, I am so surprised.
Are you hungry, Lisa?
Yes, I'm starving.
What do you want to eat for dinner?
I want something healthy and light.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I love broccoli, carrots, and spinach.
I prefer meat and potatoes.
We should eat more fruit too.
I have some sweet strawberries in the fridge.
Great, strawberries are my favorite.
What is your favorite meal?
I really like Italian pasta with cheese.
I like spicy food like Mexican tacos.
I don't like spicy food very much.
Let's cook some chicken with rice then.
That sounds like a good plan.
Do we have anything for dessert?
We have some vanilla ice cream.
Perfect. I love ice cream. Mark, this room is a mess.
You are right, it is very untidy.
Let's clean it up together.
Okay, what should I do first?
Can you vacuum the floor?
Yes, I will get the vacuum cleaner.
I will dust the shelves and the table.
Where is the dust cloth?
It is in the small drawer.
I also need to take out the trash.
The trash bag is almost full.
I will put it near the door.
Don't forget the laundry on the chair.
I will put the dirty clothes in the washing machine.
I am going to mop the floor now.
Be careful, the floor is slippery.
Thanks for the warning.
Everything looks so clean and shiny now.
We did a great job, Mark.
Now we can finally relax in a clean room.
How was your day, Lisa?
It was very busy but productive.
What did you do today?
I had 3 meetings and wrote a long report.
That sounds tiring.
It was. How about your day?
My day was quite boring, actually.
Why was it boring?
I just sat at my desk and answered emails all day.
Did you finish your project?
Yes, I finally finished it this afternoon.
That is good news.
Now I am ready to relax.
Me too. Let's watch some TV and rest.
That is a great idea.
Did anything interesting happen?
I saw our old friend John at lunchtime.
Oh, really? How is he doing?
He is doing well and says hello to you.
That's nice. It was a long day for both of us. Hi, Emily. Here's your lease.
It looks long.
Yes, but don't worry.
What should I check first?
Rent and lease period.
Rent is $2,000 monthly.
Yes, pay every first.
What about utilities?
You pay gas and electricity.
Water and trash included.
Yes, both are included.
That's very convenient.
We keep things simple.
Can I check the place?
Let's start here.
The couch looks new.
Replaced 2 months ago.
Does the TV work well?
Yes, it's a smart TV.
What about lights?
All lights work fine.
Okay, let's see. Kitchen?
Everything is clean here.
Is the stove gas?
Yes, gas heats faster.
Does the oven work?
Works perfectly.
And the fridge works.
Check inside.
Sink works fine too.
New faucet installed.
Next, let's see. Bathroom.
It's right here.
Hot water works, right?
Yes, heats in seconds.
Toilet flushes normally.
Everything works great.
I like it.
Let's finish paperwork.
Okay, I'll read, then sign.
Take your time.
I'm signing now.
Need rent and deposit now.
I brought 2 checks.
Here are your keys.
Thanks. Place looks great.
Welcome to your new home.
Thank you. I'm excited.
Speaking.
Hi, I need an appointment.
What seems the problem?
I have a bad toothache.
How long has it hurt?
About 3 days now.
Constant pain or sometimes it comes and goes?
One tooth or whole side?
Just one left tooth.
Taken anything for pain?
Yes, some ibuprofen.
Any swelling or fever?
Cheek swollen, no fever?
We should check soon.
I'd like to come today.
Let me check schedule.
I can wait.
We have 2:30 today.
Perfect, I can come.
Your full name, please?
Emily Brown.
Been here before?
No, first time.
Need some basic details?
No problem.
Phone number and email?
555-3412. emily.brown.com.
Any allergies at all?
No, none.
Taking any medication?